Pleasure Beach Resort. When are you going to reveal your secrets? You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today is the last operational day of the Grand Prix at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. We're here for the final lap event. Just a warning, guys, it is very windy here in Blackpool, so the quality of the sound might not be too great in this vlog. You excited, Jacob?
Yeah.
Hopefully we get a little bit more information with what's going to be replacing the Grand Prix. The Grand Prix opened in 1960. It's a little car ride, guys, if you haven't seen it before. It was petrol powered until 2002, and then they made it electric. Me and Jacob have been on it once before. Our favourite part of it was just awkwardly driving past the icon queue and everyone staring at you and sitting in a little car. So
I think we rode it at night as well.
At night as well. So yeah, it is going to be a missed attraction, but pretty sure it's had its day. And family favourites, hopefully they're going to replace it with a big roller coaster. Anyway, let's go check out the event. Me and Jacob just walking down to the event. Obviously, guys, with winds like this, unfortunately the big one's been closed today. Me and Jacob have been at the park, but we did a vlog 2 months ago, so we avoided it today, didn't we? Yeah. All I will say is, guys, we lapped Valhalla 6 times and all the effects are working. Walking past now, this hotel has an old Valhalla boat. It's so windy. So here we are, guys, we're just waiting to go in, aren't we, Jacob?
Yeah.
This event was actually £50 each. Mine and Jacob's park admission today was £35 each, so it's quite expensive. I hope we got something good to look forward to. Grand Prix, the final lap. Let's bring it on. So we got our tickets for the final lap, and we got 2 complimentary glasses of Prosecco. Jacob doesn't drink though, so I guess I'm getting a bit tipsy tonight. Hey. Oh wow. Car air fresheners, fair enough.
But don't forget it's me who puts you where you are now, and I can put you back down to
Amusement parks need to change all the time, need to develop, and need to create spaces to find new exciting attractions to move in for the future and for new generations. I know that the Grand Prix has been a favourite for everyone, and most of you know that I like nice calm rides. So this was a bit sad for me because the Grand Prix was clearly a favourite of mine because I could actually drive the cars. I didn't crash ever. Not even as a child did I crash on this ride, so I certainly have enjoyed many years of fun on the Grand Prix, like I know all of you have. But, you know, times need to change, we need to move forward, and we need to create new spaces to develop new attractions here. But again, thank you all for coming. Have a great evening tonight, and a fabulous season here with us all at Pleasure Beach, and it's so good to see so many great old and friendly faces here.
So the event has exclusive access to Icon, guys, which has a shorter queue than the Grand Prix at the moment. If you saw Amanda there, I believe her name is Amanda, isn't it? She was saying about new attractions, so it could possibly be new attractions or it could be a new ride, but Not much information at the moment, unfortunately. Boo. Anyway, let's take a ride on Icon. It's nice to see Icon open on an event like this, isn't it, Jacob?
Yeah.
Jacob just wants to lap it. Anyway, guys.
I like Icon.
He likes Icon. We better get in the queue for the Grand Prix. You ready? It's the last time on it. You gotta wait in the queue. So me and Jacob waited about an hour. We moved about 2 meters, didn't we? It's broken down. It's an extremely low throughput. So yeah, guys, it's definitely time for this attraction to go. I think they're trying to fix it here by the looks of it. I had Jacob's Prosecco because he doesn't drink, and I don't really drink anymore, so it's time for a very tipsy ride on Icon. I don't know if we're going to get our final lap, but I think that might be the Grand Prix final lap. Very empty Icon, huh?
Yeah.
The Grand Prix is alive, Jacob!
Yeah.
It's alive!
We might get another ride.
Oh my god! Can't do that queue, it's just not moving. Back to Icon we go. So we got 15 laps on Icon. What do you reckon the queue's like now?
I don't know.
Oh, is it still really bad? So we actually managed to get on it, luckily, guys, and we are the last public riders, it seems. I gotta say, guys, is it extremely uncomfortable and very difficult to get into, isn't it?
Very.
So this attraction was created by Aerodynamics, guys. I'm not sure what they were called before. What was it?
Aero Development, I think.
So Aero Development, and then they turned into Aerodynamics and started making some coasters much like the big one, or the Vampire at Chessington, Revolution, the world's first steel inverting coaster. You can actually steer it, you know.
Yeah.
It's really weird, guys. It's on a single track, but it still moves when you steer it.
Yeah.
Hey, last yellow car! Hey!
And the last silver car. Icon.
Oh, Icon is officially closed. Oh,
Icon's gone to bed.
Icon's gone to bed. Now I wonder, guys, what are they going to put in this area? You got Avalanche sort of in the way there. Bit of Icon as well, so I don't know if they're going to dig down or if they're going to make some high supports. I was talking to the staff member, and he's operated this attraction for all of his time at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and he said that there was supposed to be an announcement today, but it seems that Amanda still hasn't made her mind up.
Oh.
And we still don't know what the attraction is going to be, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I know, I thought we'd find out today. Whoos! Congratulations on riding the Grand Prix on this historic day. Definitely have to get this framed. So that unfortunately brings the vlog to a close, guys. Jacob was just saying it's one of the best days he's had in Blackpool. We had 6 laps on Valhalla, 15 laps on Icon, and we're the last public riders on the Grand Prix. Unfortunately the big one was closed though.
Yeah.
But we're kind of used to that, and Hyperia's closed as well.
Yeah.
So, oh, just a tip, guys, do not wear a Hyperia jumper to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Jacob has just been abused all day. And I'm not even joking, guys, like all day. And he's quite shy, so... So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying our content, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It really does help us continue to do this, and we'll see you next time. Oh, Pleasure Beach Resort, when are you going to reveal your secrets? If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.